When planning for classes, many students do not know how to find information useful in predicting their own experience. Some turn to students who have previously taken a class, but for those who don't know such a person, no system exists that allows them to access that same information. Until now. GT Crowd Catalog is a mobile website in which students view and submit descriptions on Georgia Tech classes. Say we had a student, George P. Burdell, who really wanted to learn about GT1000. He'd head to the site and log in with his GT account name and password, thus ensuring that only Georgia Tech students can access the site. Then he'd input GT1000 into the top search bar, shortening the class list to only the GT1000 classes, separated by the individual professors who teach each of the courses. Clicking on the course he's interested in allows George to see all the reviews for that course, along with viewing the review's scores. The scores are determined by other students voting a review either up or down based on how descriptive and useful it is. In this way, GT Crowd Catalog is self-regulating. Learning all he can, George decides to take the course. At the end of the semester, George decides he'd like to leave his own review for a new course just created that year, TG1000. He goes ahead and searches for the course, but is unable to find it. He selects the option to Add New Course, inputting all 5 requested blocks. In the future, we'd like to implement a check of this information against Oscar's course listings to ensure no non-existent classes end up with course pages. This process ends with George having created the new page, and he settles in to adding his review. He clicks on the Write a Review button and is brought to a page containing 4 recommended questions to fill out concerning the workload, professor's lecturing style, recommendation, and other comments. George fills in the 4 text boxes and submits, seeing that the comment immediately appears on the class page. GT Crowd Catalog is composed of a HTML5 website such that it can be accessed via either mobile phone or through a suitable web browser, while the actual course reviews are stored via a database on the GTR-NOC server, which allows us to add such future features as parsing for language or allowing users to browse all of a professor's class pages at once. We strongly believe that this system would be incredibly useful and used. In a random survey of 50 Georgia Tech students, 94% said that they would make use of this catalog at least sometimes. Moreover, 98% of the respondents indicated that they would contribute to the course catalog, at least when they felt strongly about the course. Students clearly want a system such as this, one that allows information concerning classes to be more readily accessible to the general Georgia Tech student body, and we believe GT Crowd Catalog can fill that need. GT Crowd Catalog, course information, your way.